inside of BJU Math curriculum. Now this is grade 4th and 5th. This was actually given to me by another fellow homeschooling mom because I have never used BJU in the past. Because I'm a person that needs to find discounts and get stuff a little cheaper, and BJU has always been out of my price range for me to purchase things for my children, so that's why I never had it. But she had some, and she had some extra, and so she sent these to me. And now I'm going to show you the inside of how BJ book look. What I do like about BJUs is that although it's a Christian-based curriculum, I so far have not noticed where it's talking about Christian principles, if I'm saying it correctly. It just talks about it from a general aspect. So the math part is just math. It's just math. They do have different things about careers in here, but I just use it for the math aspect. I like how colorful they are, and then how everything is sectioned off, so it's very easy for you to make a whole unit study with this, or make a complete lesson plan just from this. This is your lesson plan, like I told you guys in another video. The table of contents is so valuable. If you're a person that have a problem with organization and have a problem wrapping your mind around how to organize stuff, you don't even have to do that. You could just use the table of contents, and then you don't have to go in order, chapter 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. You can do chapter 4 one day, and then you can do chapter 1 the next time. It just depends on how you want to do it, and be flexible. And it has 18 chapters. And what I particularly like about BJUs is that you see all the vivid color. Then they have like little stories in it. And like this section it's a story, but it does mention something in reference to the Lord's Day. However, I haven't read this part of it. I just use it for the math sections. What I like about it is that it's very, very colorful. And it has those pages in which it's easy for you to tear out. And so I'm just trying to let y'all get a good look in it, because I have noticed that I do not see any BJU videos. I'm not saying that they're not out there. However, I haven't seen the inside. I see a lot of people talking about the BJU curriculum, but I don't see the inside contents. And I'm a person that when I'm shopping, I really I love to hear people reviews, but I also absolutely love to see the inside, because then I really know whether or not that particular book will fit my unique homeschool. So that's why I'm taking my time and just showing you guys the inside of this BJU. And this is the 5th grade. Now I'm going to show you the inside of a 4th grade one. The same concept, except it's the font and everything is a little bit bigger. Every BJU have a career link section in which they relate math to regular life. So I do like that aspect of it too as well. But the main reason why I use it is not for the stories. It's just for the content of the math. We don't even read all the stories, to be truthfully honest. But we use the math section because, like I said, I love the color. And it's not overdone with the math. It's just enough problems to make sure that they get the point, or whatever concept that they're working on at that particular time. So, if you ever was curious about how BJ looks on the inside and would it fit your family, if you're a secular person or a secular homeschooler, as for the math concepts, that is just strictly math. Now, some of the stories that is introduced with each lesson, now some of those go into not really deep into the Christian principles, but it's sometimes mentioned Lord or God. So if you are not a Christian homeschool, you skip that. Me personally, I don't read the stories. I just use the math content because I really like it. So I hope this review helped you guys get a pretty good idea of how BJUs look on the inside. Have a good day. Bye.